Hey YouTube, Sam here, doing a little video here on this belt, and it's just a plain black belt, but the funny thing about it is it's kind of like a what you can find kind of thing at Value Village too, but more so I thought this was just like a belt. It cost a couple bucks and I'd be able to put my own belt buckle on it, and that's why I bought it, because I have a couple belt buckles that I wanted to replace the belts on. And turns out, surprisingly, I don't know if you can read that there, Austin Banjo Club. Anyway, for some reason, well, I can see that they don't want to scratch up their banjos or the guitars or whatever instruments. Anyways, and it's musiciansbelt.com, made in the USA. Don't look at that. Anyhow, the funny thing about it is it actually doesn't take a belt buckle, and like I said, I only paid a couple bucks for it, and it's a nice leather belt. Anyway, it's got that right there, and those clip into the holes. Alright, and there it is together, and the reason I'm looking at it is for mechanics. As you can see, there is no big scratchy belt buckle, which is, I'm assuming, they don't want to scratch up their instruments. Well, you don't want to scratch up the fender of your car, and yeah, you can put fender skirts on, and you can do all kinds of things to try and keep stuff from getting scratched, but I like to wear a belt because I've always got a Leatherman or a tool on me. There's, you know, holding my pants up, all that kind of stuff. I enjoy wearing belts, and I use them a lot. So I found this, and I'm really happy I did on accident, because it's just less of a chance of scratching things. Belt buckles are just horrible on paint. I mean, that's why when you go to car shows with belts with belt buckles, people will freak out. But I don't know if they still are in business, but if you're a mechanic, you like to wear belts, don't want to scratch things up, you might check them out. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all and Master of none. You all have a good one.